How you can fix your Twitter login error. So the first thing you need to do is open your Twitter app. Twitter has been renamed as X. So if your app is not updated, we highly recommend you to go to the Play Store and update your app. If it's up to date, then you'll see this logo on your device. Now click here, and then you need to go to the place where you can either create a new account or log into your existing account. For this, I have been to the interface of logging in to an already existing account. But my problem is that I do not have a pre-existing account whose password I have forgotten. So I'll just click on the X right here and then go here and then do create a new account. So let me tap there. Now, I need another account, and then over here you'll have two options, either to log in with your Google or to create an account. We will be tapping on the second option, which is create account. And then you need to select your preferred language of English, whether it's an American English or a British English. Let me select British English. Or you can just skip your languages for now. For that, you need to tap on the skip for now button. So once you go on create your account, you need to input your name, email, and date of birth, and then tap on the next option. Once you click on next, it will tell you to authenticate your account. So for this, we just need to. So once you authenticate your account, you will be redirected to the profile which has just been created, which will look something like this, where you can see your post, all the replies you've done to the post, your highlights, and highlights is only in case of a verified profile, which means that your account must have a blue tick in it. This media part shows all the contents that you've posted, and the likes are all the tweets and replies you've liked. So, by following the simple steps, you can easily log into your Twitter account and solve the error. Good luck with doing it.